Edith Norma Shearer was a Canadian-American actress who was active on film from 1919 through 1942. Shearer often played spunky, sexually liberated ingénues. She appeared in adaptations of Noël Coward, Eugene O'Neill and William Shakespeare, and was the first person to be nominated 5 times for an Academy Award for acting, winning Best Actress for her performance in The Divorcee. Reviewing Shearer's work, Mick LaSalle called her the exemplar of sophisticated 1930s womanhood, exploring love and sex with an honesty that would be considered frank by modern standards. As a result, Shearer is celebrated as a feminist pioneer, the first American film actress to make it chic and acceptable to be single and not a virgin on screen. Shearer was of Scottish, English, and Irish descent. Her childhood was spent in Montreal, where she was educated at Montreal High School for Girls and Westmount High School. Her life was one of privilege due to the success of her father's construction business. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.